University of Science and Technology. Sir has impressive academic and research tenure spanning over 12 years of teaching experience and 15 years of expertise in polymer research. Dr. Domain's research focus on pioneering areas including biopolymers, green synthesis, bionanocomposites, sustainable materials, green tires, and rubber technology. Understanding Sir's commitment to advancing eco-friendly solutions, he has successfully led and completed 5 major funded projects in biopolymer science and technology. And his research acumen is evident in his extensive publication record, comprising 40 peer-reviewed journal articles, 5 conference proceedings, and 10 book chapters. Additionally, Sir has delivered several invited lectures at prestigious national and international conferences. So, before Cipet and myself and my participants,
Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, thank you ma'am, thank you for the nice introduction. And at the outset, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Cipet Kochi for inviting me to deliver the lecture on case studies in advanced product development from thermoplastic biocomposites. So I think we are all familiar with the term composites. Okay, composites actually they are hybrid materials. Composites are hybrid materials that comprises 2 phases. One is called a matrix phase and the other is called a reinforcement phase. For example, we can consider natural rubber polyaniline composite. NR, that is natural rubber, PANI, polyaniline, that is to be a composite. So what is the speciality of a composite? So once we look into this particular it is very less. So in order to make it thermal conducting, we are adding some conducting polymers or conducting materials. So the conducting material is an example for a conducting material is PANI, polyaniline. So once we incorporate polyaniline into natural rubber, we will get NR polyaniline, which is a composite, which is having high tensile strength and conductivity. So that is the significance of this composite. Overall, we have some parameters that is positive. We can look into. Sir, ആഷനാണ് ചോദിച്ചത് ഹസ്കിനുള്ളത് ഞാൻ പറയാം ഏകദേശം ഒരു 20% താഴെ 20%. Okay. Main component is cellulose, we have cellulose and hemicellulose. So it is if we burn rices, 10 grams of rices, we will get 1 or 2 grams, 1.5 or 2 grams of rices. So now we are trying. So one of the reviewers in this Journal of Chemical Productions, their suggestion was I actually in the title was actually green synthesis. Okay, actually the title I proposed was green synthesis for the extraction of nanosilica. But the reviewer told me to remove that green. Okay, so because we are using a calcination, 500 degrees 6. So that is not an energy efficient method. So the reviewer told me remove that green. Okay, but they accepted it. Okay, so now we are trying a method to synthesize nanosilica from rices corpulentous without calcinating rices. Okay, and one student has successfully completed for the extraction of silica, precipitate silica from rices because
you have prepared a cellulose suspension first and then you dried it. So whether you did the dialysis or freeze-drying
for the preparation. For the sulfuric acid method I have used dialysis membrane for the removing sulfate. Okay, but for an industry point of view, I think it is not possible. So normally, you just
filtered.
Just filtered.
Filtered or centrifuge?
Pardon?
Filtered or centrifuge? Which method?
Centrifuge for characterization. It is not possible for bulk production. It is not possible. That's the problem.
So I'm asking whether it will go through the water.
No, 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 no. No problem.
Which
We can use white clothes, 2 or 3 white clothes.
Curing characteristics ഈ കൈറ്റിൻ്റെ കേസ് അതിൻ്റെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സ്റ്റഡീസ് ടയർ ഹിസ്റ്ററി കാരണം ക്യൂറിങ് ക്യാരക്ടറിസ്റ്റിക്സ് ഒരുപാട് ടയറിലെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസിനെ
Affect ചെയ്യും.
എന്തൊക്കെ സ്റ്റഡീസ് ആണ്
We have conducted QR analysis, okay, RPA using rubber processing analyzer, RPA QR time. But in the case of chitin-based composite, QR time increases. We have got excellent tensile strength, abrasion resistance index, and with lower tunnel than 60. But QR time is somewhat not greater, but it is 0.30 seconds. But it is greater by the addition. QR time improved by the addition of chitin. And still the work is going on because, as I said, we have collaboration with CF Tires, so they continuously told us to send some preparation. They sent some formulation and we will prepare this. And the work is still going. I hope in future we will have.
And please explain that process, how we are making that hash, exact procedure.
Rice cash. Okay. So actually, that is a very simple method, sir. We can collect rices from local rice mill, or even from the shop. We can have these rices, and you just wash these rices, okay, thoroughly, and dry it, and dry it in an oven for 80 or 100 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. Then you will get dried rices, and you just calcinate it in a muffin furnace. So the reviewer told it is not energy efficient. So we have to remove this calcination strategy. Because burning rices for a long time. So we go for some industry. In some industries we will get rices cash as such. So we don't need to burn rices and produce rices cash.
This topic is related to biopolymers and nanomaterials. Really, sir has explored a number of nanomaterials from the green materials and biomaterials. Sir has explored as to extract the various kind of biomaterials and also nanomaterials from the renewable resources materials.
This is only the tip of the iceberg. When we search the literature, so many papers and applications of this kind of nanomaterials.
And also sir has attempted to not only extraction, sir has attempted to several methods to enhance the activities of the nanomaterials of the nanosilicon material. And also sir has implemented in for the development of new in the product itself. So sir has already attempted in the tire product also. Sir has now we can call it a green tire.
Hopefully.
So it's we have I don't know, so we have nano cellulose from the rice husk, nano silica from the rice husk. Means in one waste, bio waste, we can derive the two materials on the application basis. So like that, it is a research method, small extraction method. Maybe one day it will become an application wise large quantity. So thank you so much, sir. I'm giving all of my.
I need your support to like Cipet Kochi University to develop for the product development. We don't have that kind of facilities. We don't have any.
Actually, I can find that the content which you have delivered, sir, that is useful for all the researchers, especially the faculty members, and there are few PhD researchers also in this particular. So that will be useful for us because the theme area of composite bio nano composites is the need of the hour for the industry revolution. In fact, in the today morning we have visited 3 industries, and actually for me this was the first time which I have seen in real scenario that how these polymer composite or the waste plastics have been used for the manufacturing. In fact, you can see this is one of the this is recycled waste. It is made to the this could.
Nice presentation. I got a lot of idea. You know, I think excellent plant sources, man. Okay, when you just consult with your botany department, okay, they will suggest some plant species. Okay. So then now we are